What's up, guys? This is your boy coming back with another flawless video here. So we have a little bit of a drastic morning going on here. So last night my girl's car died, so I had to jump that. And then one of my good friends, which you're gonna meet today in the video, his car died. So luckily we got the pack on us. We're running over to pick him up right now, but it is pouring hurricane right now, man. Wind, all of it. So let's go save him, and then I'm gonna bring him back to the shop. We're gonna install a battery in his car just because he needs it. But let's roll, guys. And we got a pretty exciting day planned for us. Your boy's getting a haircut, so you're gonna meet my barber. Gonna go to the gym again. We don't have many cars today to work on just because the weather's so drastic, but let's see what we can make of it. Let's go, guys. Sheesh, guys, it is ugly out. It is pouring. So Corvette gonna go, become a submarine today. So I do drive all my cars in rain. I do drive all my cars in winter, except the Mazdas. Except the Mazdas. My Mazdas are my pride and joy. As far as it goes for a Corvette, from a realistic standpoint, because it's a business write-off, at the end of the day, the depreciation tanked on them. So no matter what, a lot of people say don't drive them, this and that. Listen, the depreciation on them is so bad that if I had 2,000 miles on it, I'm still gonna get $60,000. If I have 40,000 miles on it, I'm still getting $60,000. MMR on them is so bad, and nobody wants them because Corvettes are sitting everywhere. But I love my Vet. But let's roll. Let's go save Dominic. All right, boys, we made it over to the shop, and we had to jump the battery. So let's get it changed. We got Dominic here. Oh God, I can't even talk. Damn, I bet it was the 10 mil.
I am on a remote island on the edge of the Gulf of Alaska at the very top of the Pacific Ocean.
It's the 11th.
Oh, all right. Take number 2. This is Dominic.
Oh, this ain't gonna work.
Jesus Christ.
Damn, we are on take 3, bro.
All right, let's.
All right, here's Dominic. Take 3. We finally got the right socket. Not flying everywhere.
Oh no, this ain't gonna work either.
Jesus Christ.
5 hours later.
Bro. What is this? All right, so old battery, new battery. Told him it was gonna fit, but it doesn't fit. So we're modifying this, cutting it up a little bit. Sounds stupid, but we ain't got time to worry about going back to the store and getting another battery. Hacking up the plastic's the way to go. So we washed the Corvette, detailed it, and it pours. Wash the M3 and it pours. We also did the Buick, and of course, it poured. So, check the weather next time around.
Scuba diving season.
You're Scuba Steve?
No, it's scuba diving season. I ain't no Scuba Steve. He lives in Allentown.
Alright, so the kid that's gonna pop up in the screen in the corner, he's genuinely not here today, but this is what I have to do every time he leaves. I gotta clean down his stuff because he got the stinkiest swamp ass in the world. If any of you followers here can send me one of those, little Christmas trees that you put in cars, or new pair of underwear or something, please do. We need all the donations we can get. And if you guys want this as a souvenir, I'll send it in the mail to whoever, comments Tao first. It's yours. Alrighty, guys, first card done for the day. 35 all the way around. You wanted to go on the lighter side of things. But she's ready to go. And the next one's here. Let's roll.
Yo. Ooh. When they say growth, they don't mean get bigger. Fuck, is he recording?
You guys would make a good couple.
No.
Yeah, he's running from me.
He sucks good dick. What?
Alright, guys, we got a really long day ahead of us. It's upsetting, but hey, listen, it's the job. And we got here a Subaru. It's a Legacy XT. Doing a full chrome delete around it. It's already done, but it didn't come out too well. And then we're gonna be doing the taillights as well. But let's work our magic. I ain't gonna lie, this is one of those ones where I got probably 5-6 hours on it, man. So let's go. Chrome dually, it's going pretty well. We do got bumper off because we have to take out the actual grill itself. These chrome deletes are tedious, and the right way to do it is that way, but we do got some proof he actually tints taillights. And we got skee ball. Yeah. Let's see. I ain't even looking.
Someone's got to do the job, right?
Oh, I suck.
Fail.
Alrighty, guys. Got the full chrome delete done on the front. The bezels around the fog lights. The full grille. Then we got around the windows here. Got the full taillights done. That's so crispy looking, bro. Oof. And we got the other side. She looks good, man. Then we got the G80 up here. Subi. The Outback. And we got the Vet Hide back there. Got the Veloster out back too. Got a lot of cars. Well, guys, I don't really have any other video for you at the end here, but we're gonna end it here. We got more content coming for you, and we're gonna continue to keep vlogging, but check out the 2 videos here that are gonna pop up on the screen, and we gotta get working on an actual intro and an actual outro. I'm just trying to go crazy with all the cars we have, and hopefully a friend of ours is gonna help us edit it crazy and get some good footage. But like, comment, and subscribe, and check us out in the next video. Deuces.